Hi guys! So this is today I ordered Amazon and these are the things. I'm gonna unbox it. So this is a Rimmel Stay Matte powder, compact powder. This is exfoliating glove that just removes all of your dead skin. And now, this is a mascara from Essence. Now, let's see this one. I don't even know what's that. It's an eyeliner, yeah. I remember it. Eyeliner. I don't know how to unbox this. I'm just gonna get this. Oh, I don't know. Just a second. Look. This is a marker eyeliner from Essence. It's like this. It's low. It's so slick. Like it's great. Just this. It's great. So this was my Amazon haul.